Did you know that if you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib? If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. Yes, if you block the pressure of the sneeze, it can cause a rupture of the eardrums, irritation of the throat, and in worst cases, rupture blood vessels in your brain or eyes. Did you know that each king in a deck of playing cards represents a great king from history? Clubs, Alexander the Great. Spades, King David. Diamonds, Julius Caesar. Hearts, Charlemagne.